In this video, I will give you 4 steps you can follow to become rich the same way I did. It is possible to become rich and wealthy. And many people will say that it's not possible to become rich and that the process is very, very hard. It is possible to become rich. I did it and you can do it too. In this video, I will reveal 4 ways you can become rich working at a job. The first step to become rich is to always pay yourself first. I've been studying multimillionaires and billionaires for years, and one thing I discovered is that these people always pay themselves first. So never pay yourself last or seconds. If you want to become rich, make sure you always pay yourself first. When you get paid, take a percentage of the money and save it automatically. You can, for example, set up a direct debit when the money goes directly into this account, so you don't have to do it yourself. The second step you can follow to become rich is to invest in what I call income producing assets. But what does it mean, income producing assets? Income producing assets are assets that pay passive income. Some examples of assets that pay passive incomes include property investments, dividend paying stocks, bonds, private lending, and so on. The third step to become rich is to use income from assets to improve your lifestyle. Never use your earned income, or if you like, the income from a job, to improve the quality of your life. Always make sure that you use the income from assets, from the income producing assets, to improve the quality of your life. And the fourth step to become rich is to repeat, reinforce, and hyper focus. Repeat this process, which means is to follow the step 1 to 4. If you want to make more money and how to manage it wisely like a multimillionaire, and also how to multiply it fast, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you can be notified when we launch amazing videos like this.